Hello pioneers, in this video I will show you how to install Phantom wallet. But first let me introduce you to Solana and what other wallets are out there you guys can use. So about Solana, it's a blockchain and Solana is widely known as the fastest blockchain across all. So you can bet on it. The gas fee is too low. So that's why a lot of NFT projects are coming out there. There are a lot of uh, advantages and benefits. The protocol which used by Solana is proof of stake consensus. So that's why you can easily stake Solana and earn a passive income in crypto. After that, there are different types of wallet for Solana. There are I mentioned 5, but you can search out there more. The most popular out there are Phantom, Trust Wallet for mobile, Atomic for desktop, Solalet for web, and Ledger Nano for hardware. So maybe in future I will cover that as well in this uh, channel. So follow me for that purpose. Apart from this, if you want a specific topic to be discussed here, feel free to comment and I will cover it next. With that being said, let's install Phantom. So to install the Phantom wallet, we are here on the Phantom website. Over here, add to Chrome. We can just go to add to Chrome and add the extension over here. It will download the extension. You can double click on it. Create new wallet. Yeah. Just copy this and save it somewhere. Like you can save it here. After that, you can create a password for it. I will put an easy password, but you guys can add any because it will depend that how much important that is for you. Finish. So when we came here, we can pin it here and we can just choose it like this. So now when we came in, here is just one wallet. The amount is 0 and this is our public key. We can send it to anyone. Okay, so further over here we can manage other token as well, like we can add other. Over here we can, if you want to send or receive some Solana, you can just send it to someone or receive from it. Over here you can see your NFTs collection or collectibles, like as much as you can. Okay, also you can swap Solana with other tokens over here, and fee will be 1%. Over here you will see all your activities, buying, selling, or receivings, whatever you are doing. So it will be here. If you come to settings, over here you can see address books, where you can check out all the addresses to whom you interact with. Where is trust app, so you can configure your mobile app with this and then you can use it inside your own mobile. Just for a quick update, as I you guys can see on the top over here that it's not available for iOS or Android. So you will use Trust Wallet over there, and then you will integrate this one for that. So keep that in mind. If there is any, that will be a scam, and you guys should be aware of that. You guys can change password over here. For now, I'm good. You guys can auto lock it for like some time and change network. So this is one is for developers. If you guys are testing something, or working on some development platform, so it will be like you can use these things, and you can just test your depths on the network. So export private key. You can also export a private key to your. For that, I will put my password over there. That's my private key for this wallet. I will just copy it, and I can save it somewhere if I wanna. But it's okay, as this one is just for this tutorial. I will delete it afterwards, so it doesn't matter that much. Show your secret phrase. Also, you can type and you can just copy paste it. Somehow you missed it and first go. So reset your secret phrase, recovery phrase. You can also reset it to whatever you like. So that's all for this video. I hope I helped you guys how to install it, and also update you about some scams. So hopefully you will be aware of it. Thank you for this one. See you in next video. Bye.